Learning outcome viewed the appropriate reorder point considering demand during lead time and safety stock. Analyze inventory management problems and select suitable EOQ and ROP models to improve supply chain efficiency. Interpret the result of EOQ and ROP calculation to make informed discussion about ordering schedules and stock. Reorder point. What is the reorder point? The reorder point is the inventory level at which a new order must be placed to replenish stock before it reaches zero, ensuring continuous operation and preventing stock outage. Formula. Reorder point usage times lead time equals 60 stock. Example, if the company expected daily usage is 100 bottles of wine, the anticipated delivery is 6 to 10 days. When the company placed the reorder point, formula, ROP usage times lead time equals 60 stock. 100 bottles per day times 6 to 10 days plus 100 bottles per day times 4. 100 times 6 to 10 days plus 100 times 4 equal 600 plus 400. Then, answer 1,000 bottles of wine. Where usage, how many stock will use, that time, how long it will arrive or delivered. Stock, safety stock, extra inventory keep to cover unexpected demand or delay. Place the order. June 13, that time, 6 to 10 days. Order will arrive June 19, 6 days minimum order. That time, safety stock dates, June 19 to June 23, 4 days. Therefore, the company should make the order when level of inventory is at 1,000 bottles. Economic order quantity. Economic order quantity under EOQ, we can also compute number of order per year. Formula SO equal N. What is economic order quantity? The economic order quantity is used to determine the most cost-effective quantity of inventory to order one that minimizes the total cost of ordering and holding stock. Formula economic order quantity equal 2 times number of olive oil per bottle required annually 16,000 bottles. Cost of placing an order 350. Annual carrying cost per year of inventory 5 pesos. A. EOQ 2 times O times N equals C. 2 times 350 times 16,000 bottles equal 5. Divide 2,240
million.
Answer kay 1,497 bottles. Then number of order per year, NO equal N by E0. NO equal N divide EOQ. 16,000 bottles divide 1,497 bottles equal 11 orders. Cost per year, TOC equal NO times OC equal 11 orders times 350 equal 3,850. Average inventory, AI equal EOQ divide 2 equal 1,497 bottles divide 2 equal 749 bottles. Total carrying cost per year, TCC equal AI times CC. TCC equal 794 bottles times 5 equal 3. Total cost, TC equal TOC plus TCC. TC equal 3,850 plus 3,745 TC equal 7,595.